smile from ear to ear. Fruit, yellow and neat. Bananas are so good to eat. Let's peel our bananas together. Peel, peel, peel. Orange, orange, rude and bright, full of juice and sunshine light. Peel it, squeeze it, sip the day. Orange keeps the gloom away. Fruit, juicy and sweet. Oreos are so good to eat. What color is an orange? That's right, orange. Strawberry, strawberry, red and small. With tiny seeds, we love them all. In a cake or on a plate, strawberries taste just great. Fruit, soft and sweet. Strawberries are so good to eat. Let's clap for strawberries. Clap, clap, clap. Grapes, grapes, purple or green. They grow in bunches, what a scene. Pop one in and chew, chew, chew. I like grapes, how about you? Fruit, round and neat. Grapes are such a tasty treat. Can you count the grapes? 1, 2, 3, wow! Pineapple, pineapple, prickly outside, yellow inside, it's sweet with pride. Slice it up, it's tropical fun. Pineapple shines like the sun. Fruit, sunny and sweet. Pineapple's a tropical treat. Let's dance like pineapples. Wiggle, wiggle. Watermelon green outside, red inside, open wide. Juicy bites on summer days. Watermelon, hooray, hooray. Fruit, fresh and sweet. Watermelon's cool to eat. Can you say watermelon slowly? Watermelon! Good job! Lemon, lemon, yellow and bright. Sour taste, but such a sight. Make lemonade, oh what fun. Lemon shining like the sun. Fruit, sour and neat. Lemons make a tangy treat. Make a sour face. Eee! Cherry, cherry, tiny and red. Grow in pairs, that's what's said. Pop them in, yum, yum, yum. Cherry time has just begun. Fruit, cherry sweet. They're my favorite snack to eat. Can you point to something red? Great! Peach, soft and round. Fuzzy skin, it can be found. Sweet and juicy, what a joy. Peaches make me say, oh boy. Fruit, soft and sweet. Peaches are a lovely treat. Mango, juicy delight. Golden yellow, oh so bright. Cut it, scoop it, taste of fun. Mango time for everyone. Now let's whisper it. Apple, banana,